Why did American judges write the Nuremberg Code? Imagine a world where medical experiments are done without any rules or checks. That was the reality before the Nuremberg Code was created. After World War II, the world saw the horrifying actions of Nazi doctors. They performed cruel experiments on prisoners without consent or care. These acts shocked everyone and made it clear that new rules were needed. During the Nuremberg trials in 1947, 23 Nazi doctors faced charges for these terrible crimes. The judges and prosecutors wanted to understand how such atrocities could happen. They found that there were no clear laws or ethical standards guiding human experiments at that time. The Nazi doctors claimed they were just following the usual practices from before the war. But that was not enough to justify their actions. This gap in rules and morals led American judges, along with medical experts involved in the trial, to develop a set of principles. These principles became known as the Nuremberg Code. The goal was to make sure that human rights and safety were protected in medical research. The judges wanted to prevent such abuses from happening again. The Nuremberg Code includes 10 important rules. The first is that people must give voluntary informed consent. They need to understand what the experiment involves and agree freely. The second is that experiments should have a clear scientific purpose and be justified. They must be designed to produce valuable results that cannot be obtained in other ways. The third rule is that risks and suffering should be minimized and avoided whenever possible. Lastly, participants must be able to stop participating at any time without facing penalties. These rules are based on universal moral ideas and the Hippocratic Oath, which focuses on patient welfare. The Nuremberg Code was the first international document to explicitly protect human subjects in research. It set the foundation for many later guidelines and laws, like the Declaration of Helsinki and the Belmont Report. The main reason American judges wrote the Nuremberg Code was to create a legal and ethical framework that would prevent future medical abuses. They wanted to ensure that research respects human dignity, autonomy, and rights. The atrocities committed by Nazi doctors showed the world the terrible consequences of ignoring these principles. The Code's principles continue to influence how we conduct ethical research today. In short, the judges created the Nuremberg Code to stop the horrors of the past from happening again. It was a response to the Nazi experiments and a step toward safer, more respectful medical practices. This code remains a vital part of medical ethics, guiding health care and research to protect everyone involved.